Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a quick video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2016 Peugeot 208. All we're going to need to use is this little button there with the spanner on it and the set. And to start with, all you need to do is just turn the ignition off, press and hold, that will turn the ignition on. We'll do that quick now. Keep the button depressed and you'll see the timer count down from 10. Just let that get to 0, release the button, and that's all reset now. You turn the ignition off, back on again, and see the spanner's now missing. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.